Hello, my name is Aaron. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru. In this video, we're going to be going through an EFT routine that you can use at the beginning of the day to just set a positive intention for your day. Before we begin, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notifications on all future videos. This is a part of the EFT routine series that I am working on. So if you haven't yet watched the intro video, I would highly suggest that you go back there. If you have taken my EFT Masterclass, then you know for the NLP portion or the self-talk portion, there's typically a cycle down and a cycle up process. In this video, we're actually going to keep that cycle down process relatively short because in that cycle down process, you typically are going to speak more specifically about your personal issue or whatever it is that you want to bring up in order to use EFT to reprogram that or release that or transform that. And since I don't know what that is, we're going to keep that portion relatively short and general. So go ahead, let's go to the next portion of the video and we're going to do some EFT tapping and some self-talk or some NLP together. So let's go ahead and begin our EFT session. We're going to begin on this karate chop point. So tap, and then I'm going to leave a space after I talk so you can repeat after me. Let's begin with our template sentence. Even though I don't know what to expect from this day, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I do not know what to expect from this day, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I do not know what to expect from this day, I completely love and accept myself. I'm at the start of a brand new day, but I feel a little bit nervous. I acknowledge that I feel a little uneasy because of the unknown. I don't know what's going to happen today, and I don't know how to exactly prepare myself for that. But I'm taking the time to acknowledge that I am in this space and place where all opportunities are able to flow to me. So today, I am open to all of the wonderful possibilities and opportunities. I trust in myself. I trust in my abilities to make the proper decisions that support my well-being. Today, I am kind and gentle to myself. Today, I am compassionate with myself. Today, I am trusting in myself. I am setting the intention to reach for a feeling of satisfaction in all of my experiences. I'm getting in alignment right now. My thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors are in alignment with my ultimate well-being. I am prepared for this day because I trust in myself. No matter what comes up, I have the ability to make the proper decisions. I have the ability to make what moves I need to make for me, for my well-being. Nothing is catching me off guard today because I'm prepared. Nothing is catching me off guard today because I am open and I am flexible. I am divinely guided. Today is a wonderful day, full of opportunities and possibilities. And I am in alignment with the success and the accomplishment that this day has for me. So throughout this day, I am open, I am flexible, and I am trusting. And so it is, so it is, so it is. Okay, so that is our short EFT session that you can use to begin your day, just to get yourself in alignment mentally, emotionally, and energetically for this day. I hope to see you all for my next EFT routine. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop those in the comment section below. And remember, if you enjoyed this content, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notifications on all future videos. I'll see you in the next one.